Okay, so yesterday we opened, tested lower, continued higher, just as per scenario 1. I was a bit late to get on the action, which was an error. Had a pullback to the open and swing high, good place for an entry. Alright, today the 2nd of December, on Wednesday, we open around top of the overnight VPOC. My scenario 1, my primary expectation for the day, main trading idea, is test higher to the 56-58 area, which is the yesterday close, the value area low, stock zone, and the value area high. So all these areas from around 56 to around 59.5 is where I expect the turn to happen. Inventory is short, so some responsive action is expected. And then continuation lower to the overnight low, which is 42.5. This is around the gap mid. So I expect that to be tested. 40, 41, 42. And then the gap low together with this MCV pocket around 30. And gap low is actually the high of this day. So this is scenario 1. Scenario 2, we open top of the VPOC, take out the overnight low at 42 or 41, gap mid, and continue our move higher. Which takes us through to the same 58 area. Previous day's value area low, and then from then on takes us to the VPOC of yesterday, right here. And from then on, which is 67.50. So 58, 67, 50, and then value area high, which is around 69.75, so 70. That's my scenario 2. The overnight VPOC at 50, 50 is also the low of the pit session yesterday. So after taking out the gap mid, statistically high probability, attacking the yesterday day session low, test as we approach it, or test as we go through it and test from above, then 58. Which is not far really, and then stock zone at 64, just below the VPOC. Okay, so that was scenario 2. Scenario 3 is it open, quick test up, continuation lower. So no responsive action, initiative action, and we cross the gap. Test the gap mid at 40, gap low at 32. And extend lower to the MCV book at 27.5, which is also this ledge. So that's scenario 3. Scenario 4 is the opposite. Brief, test low without taking the overnight low, and an extension higher that takes us to the current all-time high at 77.50. Should give us a range of around 30 points. Scenario 4.